Hello friends, today we're going to practice the alphabet together. I'm going to say the name of the letter, the picture that starts with that letter, and I'm going to say the sound 3 times. Join me. A, apple, a, a, a. B, book, b, b, b. C, camel, k, k, k. D, duck, d, d, d. E, elephant, e, e, e. F, fox, f, f, f. G, gorilla, g, g, g. H, house, h, h, h. I, igloo, I, I, I. J, jar, j, j, j. K, kite, k, k, k. L, ladybug, l, l, l. M, mitten, m, m, m. N, nest, n, n, n. O, octopus, ah, ah, ah. P, pig, p, p, p. Q, quilt, qu, qu, qu. R, rose, r, r, r. S, sock, s, s, s. T, turtle, t, t, t. U, umbrella, uh. V, vase, v, v, v. W, wagon, w, w, w. X, x-ray, x, x, x. Y, yo-yo, y, y, y. Z, zebra, z, z, z. That's it, friends. I hope you come back and practice with me again. Bye.